Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Elaunar, and I hope everyone is doing absolutely fine. Finally we have PS5 here, and you can see the box, and it looks so big actually compared to other consoles. So here's the front side, and you can see here 8K resolution, and it can be 4K 120 fps, and it can do HDR as well. And from back side we can see 825 GB memory inside. Okay guys, let's unbox this thing. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So guys, inside we have one more box. Oh, read. Okay, here the packaging is good actually, and you can see a PlayStation logo here. Let's open this. Okay, so here we got this cut to take out this box. I'll keep it here for now. Okay, it's finally out guys. Very excited, super excited. Okay, this, so got this paper boxes, and let's keep it aside for now. And we got this plastic wrapping to this. Okay, moment of truth guys, finally. Oh, it looks very big and bulky, and design is very cool guys. As you know, it's like the alien spaceship, and in center it has some nice black glossy finish, and here we have cutouts for PS5 logo. So it's totally matte finish, and it looks good and bulky. Okay, so this is the power card guys, and manual. We have manual. It's a lot of reading. I think we should read this. And finally, here is the DualSense controller. It looks very premium and very good. We have this touch pad and buttons, very tactile feeling, and wow, this L1 L2 buttons are really good. It's like some sponge. Okay, and let's see what's there inside it. And we got a stand as well. I think, yeah, it's a stand. And we have HDMI to HDMI cable guys. HDMI. So that's it guys. Okay, this is the front side of the PlayStation, and we can use the disc version. So we can see the disc. We need to insert a disc here, and we have USB A and USB Type C for the controller. A we can extend for storage, and we have power button. Okay, so on the back side we have nice vent section, and it's a large opening vents, and we have power cord and HDMI Ethernet port and 2 USB. So that's all from here. And the main part of this next generation console is this dual shock controller guys. So we will get some feedback from the control when we are pressing this. Yeah, maybe first time as PlayStation. So guys, we can see this only for the first time. You can't see it again once this comes when we are booting our PlayStation 5 for the first time. And I have connected my controller to the PlayStation, and we need to press this button, and you will need to select the language. So guys, we have completely set up the PlayStation and I'll try to play some game. Come with me. Okay. So friends, this is like a small dream coming true for me. Actually, I want to buy PlayStation since childhood and play God of War. So finally I can play now. So guys, this is kind of emotional.
I suggest putting your shoe before you hit the ground. Using your shoe lets you glide away from everyone else. But you'll get on the ground late. Moving! Target down! Well done. The upper right part of your HUD shows how many enemies remain. A helicopter will provide extraction for the last survivor. Eliminate the target, stay out of the channel and get to extraction.
Correct.
ఫోన్ వస్తుంది బ్రో.